I was gonna try to talk over the hook, man. It's just too beautiful. Listen up. That was me when I say that. I was like,
I was blowing bands, I was in the mall. I seen this light skin standing 5 feet tall. I said, hold on a minute, gave my bags to my dog. Walked over, said, give me your name and number, I'ma call. But she was like, no, cause you look like a dog. I'm like, believe me, baby, that is not the case at all. I was in a Gucci Scully and some Gucci shoes. She started walking away, told her that gave me the blues. She turned around and said, okay, but only cause you cute. Plus I see you on the Grammy, such a funny dude. Now I'm feeling good, just got a number. Let her walk away, see if she got a thumper. And she did, little junk in the trunk with a face so pretty I can hit it from the front. I ain't gotta take no shots and I ain't gotta blow no bunch. Next time we in the mall, you can pick out what you want. Now she feeling good, realizing I'm the man. Now she in her head plotting, scheming, coming up with plans. How we can go on that, she introduced me to her fam. I'ma keep it real, that was never in my plan. So she fell in love, I was just chillin'. She said she going through it, it's a fucked up feeling. All I care about is getting bucks to the ceiling. I never meant for this to happen, girl, you the realest.
So sexy, you really turn me on, blow my mind every time I
see your face, girl.
So sexy, you really turn me on, blow my mind.
Just let it just vibe to it, you know? Just ride.
See your face, girl.
Your heart, I never meant to hurt it. In my eyes, you still perfect. If I could buy the world I gave it to you, you deserve it. If I could buy the world I gave it to you, you deserve it. What's the perfect girl if it's not the perfect time? Since I can't give you my all, I guess I give you a couple rhymes. I promise, baby girl, everything is gonna be fine.